Hi. Blogger has updated its user interface and they will roll down the updates. So before that, you should try this, see what's new. I'm going to show you in this video. Click on try new blogger, continue. See, this is the new interface. You're going to see lots have changed before, and when I was recording the video that time it didn't change anything, but recently they have changed some of their functions. So I will do that in a different video. For now, check this out. So before you have to if you have to create a post, you will be seeing option around here, but now to create a post you have to click in this plus icon and it will open just like this title. So I am writing a title for this. It is almost same. New blogger user interface. See, you won't see, you won't find similarities. Some similarities, but there are many changes. They have changed a lot. To show all things, I'm just making a demo topic. So now I'm going to show you all the options, what changed. HTML view changed from here to there. If normal text editor, previously you would have seen option here or similarly around there, but now they changed. You will see the option of major heading, then subheading, minor heading. Previously there was no option of major heading. And text, they have now 4 category: small, large, huge. Text for option same. Insert or edit link. Now you will see 2 options: create an edit URL and create an edit anchor. So create a URL means external link. You have to create URL, and then keep your link, and rest the same. And edit anchor, text to display and name. Now photo, you have 4 options: upload from your computer, now you can browse or drag a drop photo here and it will automatically take it. Emojis option was there previously. it is almost same. If you have to align, you can see option here, alignment options and input option, language. Now come to levels. Levels has changed. Previously used to write sentence then put comma, but now it is totally different. Custom permalink option is still here. You can create your custom permalink like previous, but before publishing the post. Search description. This is important. In previous blogger, search description was big, but in new interface it will only be 150 words. Please, be sure of that. You will not get the option to write a lot of things. Only 150 word will be allowed. So choose the best keyword for your blog post. Options and custom logo tags. If you don't know how to use it, let me know in the comment box and I will do a particular video on custom logo tags. So now what I will do, I will publish this post and I'll show you how it looks in new blogger interface. Before that, I'm going to show you the different text formats, size, which size would be best for you. If you are not aware of the mobile friendly version, which is mobile friendly version among these, and you don't know what mobile friendly version how to write mobile friendly version, I can do a video on that too, but you have to write in the comment box that you want to see. So this is the 4 types of size of text which you can see. So I would suggest you to go with large and huge option, and to publish a post you have to click the arrow, and to save you have to click on the floppy option, and you can preview right from there clicking on the I option. See, you will be able to see the different version of your blog in computer, lab, tablet and mobile, which text look good, and how your article appears when someone see it from computer, tablet and mobile. Click on publish post, then confirm. It is now published, but what do you see? There is no edit option like before. Previously you would have seen edit option around here, but now there is no edit option. So how do you edit after you publish a post? To do that, you have to click on the post heading. It will take you to the post, and then from here you can edit the post like earlier, but there is no option, there is no specific option like before, and then you have to click on the arrow, which is also update button at this time, and it will be updated. And to check whether it is updated or not, click on view, and you'll see it is updated. That's it. That's it. And that's it. And if you don't like the new UI, for now you can revert back to legacy blogger, means you can go back to the old UI, but in future you will not be able to, because they are pushing the updates, and it will be default by August. So thank you, thanks for watching, like, share.